Before buying car ramps, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Roblox low-profile car ramps. The Roblox car ramps immediately caught my attention with its low-profile design and sturdy build. Priced at $30.59, it's a solid choice for anyone needing reliable ramps for low chassis vehicles. If you want a dependable ramp for maintenance, this is worth a serious look. These ramps are specifically designed for low chassis cars with a gentle slope of 17 degrees, lifting your vehicle 2.6 inches off the ground. This means you can easily slide under for repairs or inspections without feeling cramped. The honeycomb design enhances tire grip, ensuring stability while you work. With a weight capacity of 20,000 pounds, these ramps can handle most vehicles you might own. Plus, the surface drainage design prevents moisture buildup, which is crucial for safety. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're dealing with sports cars or modified vehicles, the added width avoids tire overhang, giving you peace of mind. Now, some people complained about the weight capacity not being sufficient for larger vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you're working with standard cars or lighter trucks, this ramp is more than enough. It's definitely a deal breaker if you have a heavy-duty truck, but for regular maintenance, it's a great choice. This is perfect for you if you own a low chassis vehicle and need a reliable ramp for home repairs. Skip this one if you're working on larger trucks or heavy-duty vehicles. For the price, this is a solid investment for safety and accessibility. Now, if the Roblox weight concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Hawkswell high lift car ramps. We have the Hawkswell portable car ramps, priced at $78.99. What sets this ramp apart is its higher lift height of 4.1 inches, making it easier for oil changes and repairs. If you want more elevation while working, this is worth a serious look. The 31.5-inch length and 8.1-inch width cater to wider tires, ensuring better stability and support. Its 10,000 pounds weight capacity makes it perfect for not just cars, but also light trucks and SUVs, which is a common need for many DIYers. The ramp's design includes a honeycomb structure that prevents collapse, so you can work under your vehicle without worrying about it falling. This matters for you specifically because the curved grooves help keep your tires fixed in place, avoiding the annoying slipping that can happen with other ramps. However, I noticed a few complaints about its portability, as some users said it's bulkier than expected. But honestly, if you're primarily using it in your garage or driveway, that shouldn't be a major issue. It's still manageable for most users. This is perfect for you if you're frequently changing oil or working on your vehicle at home. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for road trips. For what you get, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for low-profile vehicles.
Product number 3, Hawkswell lightweight car ramps. Let's look at another option from Hawkswell. This time they're lightweight car ramps, priced at a budget-friendly $29.99. If you're looking for something affordable without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. These ramps are designed for low chassis vehicles, similar to the previous options, lifting your car 2.6 inches for easy access underneath. With a weight capacity of 20,000 pounds, they can support various vehicles. The 17-degree slope makes it easy to drive your car up without any hassle. Their impact-resistant polypropylene material ensures they last longer, and the non-slip pods keep them securely in place. This matters because if you're changing oil or doing repairs, stability is key to avoiding accidents. One downside I found is that some users mentioned they felt the ramps could be a bit flimsy over time. But here's the thing, if you're cautious and using them for light maintenance, they should hold up just fine. It's a deal breaker if you're using them constantly for heavy-duty tasks, but for occasional home use, they work great. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option for low-profile vehicles. Skip this one if you need something for heavier vehicles. With that price point, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you need something specifically for trailers, the next option will be right up your alley.
Product number 4, Talaikija Tandem Wheel Ramp. This brings us to the Talaikija Tandem Wheel Ramp, priced at $68.99. This ramp is specifically designed for tandem dual-axle trailers, making tire changes a breeze. If you frequently deal with trailers, this is worth a serious look. Elevating your tire by 5.5 inches, it eliminates the need for jacks entirely, which is a huge plus when you're in a pinch. With a weight capacity of 15,000 pounds, it's built to handle most trailers efficiently. The concave design ensures stability, preventing any accidental slips as you perform your tire changes. This is crucial for your safety while working on the road or at home.
However, a few users did mention that it can be a bit heavy to carry around, especially if you're not used to lifting. But honestly, if you're keeping it in your vehicle for roadside emergencies, it's a small price to pay for the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you own a tandem dual-axle trailer and frequently perform maintenance. Skip this one if you only have small vehicles. For the functionality it provides, it's a reasonable investment. Alright, that was a specialized option. But if you're looking for a versatile ramp for everyday use, the next option is just what you need.
Product number 5, Auto Dynasty car ramps. Let's check out the Auto Dynasty car ramps, priced at $86.29. These ramps are designed with a high load capacity of 5,000 pounds, meaning they cater to a wide variety of vehicles. If you want something reliable for regular maintenance, this is worth a serious look. With a length of 35 inches and a width of 13 inches, they provide ample space for vehicles with wider tires. The 17-degree incline ensures that even low chassis cars can drive on smoothly. These ramps also feature an anti-slip design, which is crucial for preventing any slip-ups when you're working underneath your car. This matters because it gives you the confidence to tackle those DIY projects safely. One downside I found is that they are slightly heavier than some other options, which could make portability a bit tricky. But honestly, if you're using them primarily in your garage, the weight shouldn't deter you too much. This is perfect for you if you want something durable for home garage maintenance. Skip this one if you require a lightweight option for travel. For the quality you get, it's a solid purchase. So there you have it. We covered a range of car ramps, from budget-friendly options to specialized designs. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.
So, to wrap it up, we've covered the Roblox Low Profile, Hawkswell High Lift, Hawkswell Lightweight, Talea Tandem Wheel Ramp, and Auto Dynasty car ramps. Each has unique features that cater to different needs, from everyday maintenance to trailer tire changes. Choose wisely based on your vehicle type and maintenance habits.